Welcome to the Chinese Homestyle Cooking channel. This is part 2 of a 5-part series. You can find the links to the other parts in the video description below. In this video, we will show how to make a ground pork and onion filling. As a reminder, because making dumplings is a slightly complicated process, it is commonly made by the entire family as a bonding experience. We highly recommend making dumplings with your friends or family as a fun cooking activity. We are going to start with 1 scallion and 1 small onion. Finely chop the scallion and small onion. You can also substitute the small onion and just use 4 scallions, also finely chopped. Set aside when done.
葱切好之后放入碗中备用。下面我们开始来调馅。
In a separate bowl, add in half a pound of ground pork.
做好的馅呢比较干，我们慢慢加入水。这是8盎司左右的，差不多有8盎司左右的肉馅。
Slowly stir in 1/3 cup of water until it is fully incorporated into the ground pork.
不要一下都加进去。加水的目的是为了不让它肉发柴。然后我们一顺搅，不要左边搅右边搅。
Tip: stir in one direction to maintain the structure of the ground pork mixture. You will know the water has been fully incorporated if it does not pool when left alone for about 10 minutes.
摁住碗。下面我们来开始调馅。把切好的葱花。
Once the water is fully incorporated, add in the chopped scallions and onions. Also add in the following spices: 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
1 tablespoon 的酱油。 然后我们再放入一些香油，香油差不多有，这个是 sesame oil， 差不多有1/2这么多，然后我们再放入3个 tablespoon 的橄榄油也好，食用油就是食用油，2、3，好，别忘了还要放。 1/2 teaspoon 的姜粉，然后我们把所有的材料都
Mix well to incorporate fully, remembering to stir in one direction.
好，馅呢我们几乎就是都调好了，然后呢我们给它备用，备用。 下面我们开始搅拌。我们的馅呢，现在就是粘稠度正好，一定不要有水。所以你搅的时候。
After the spices are fully incorporated, the filling is now ready to be used.
这样就是已经好了。
Thank you for watching this video. Continue on to part 3 of this series on how to make your dumpling wrappers from the dough in part 1.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the Chinese Homestyle Cooking channel. 谢谢。